Have you ever been puzzled by how different initialization methods in C++ can lead to unexpected behavior? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the intricacies of copy initialization and conversion operators in C++. I totally understand how confusing it can be when your code behaves differently than you expect. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when dealing with initialization and conversion in C++. Let's set the stage with your specific question. You asked, why doesn't the definition xk equals curly braces y change its behavior like xm equals y does? This is a great question that many programmers grapple with. To understand this, we need to look at how C++ handles different types of initialization. The distinction between list initialization and copy initialization can be subtle but crucial. Let's break it down. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of these concepts and how to apply them effectively in your code. To understand why the behavior of the line xk equals curly braces y does not change, we need to clarify the concept of list initialization versus copy initialization. In C++, list initialization can invoke constructors differently than copy initialization. When using curly braces, the compiler looks for a constructor that matches the initializer list. In the case of xk equals curly braces y, since there is no constructor that accepts an initializer list, it defaults to using the copy constructor, which is the same as xm equals y. However, the presence of the conversion operator in y operator x makes xm equals y prefer the conversion, while xk equals curly braces y does not invoke it. In summary, the user should remember that list initialization and copy initialization can lead to different behaviors based on the constructors available and the presence of conversion operators. Fun fact: did you know that C++ was originally designed to add object-oriented features to the C programming language? It's evolved a lot since then, but some quirks remain. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. The user explains that the initialization using equals is different from using equals value. The braces indicate a direct initialization, which seeks the best way to initialize the target without considering conversions. In contrast, equals value allows for conversions between types. They note that if the target type has constructors, those will be called, while the braces will not attempt to convert values. They also mention that making the conversion function a const member would create ambiguity. Here's a pro tip. Always be mindful of the type of initialization you're using. Understanding these nuances can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With this knowledge, you should feel more confident tackling initialization in C++. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.